Hi guys, this is Srinigate Sudhindra and today I'll be unboxing the Noise Fit Sport Edition. So it has full touch controls and it has a 20-day battery. So here is the QR code for the app. For the app you can get it on Google Play Store and App Store. So let's see what's inside this box. So first we get the watch guys. So this is the Noise Fit Sport watch. So it is in blue in color and it has a setting button here, and then we get some accessories inside this. So let's see. So we get two user manuals, and then we get a charging cable. So that's it for today guys. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share and stay safe.